Look how much she just won. Wow. Nice job, demo. So we're over here, luxury line. Great game. That is what we're shooting for over here. That is what we're shooting for. This is what we're going for. That is a dream. 255 going in. And we will try our best to get it. So I think, let me see, what's the difference here? All denominations are kind of the same. Or sorry, oh no, they're not. So the minor and the mini are different. Okay, so I think I'm gonna do max bet at 1 cent and try to get something magical here. I guess let's start at the tiny one. It's going magic little lever. Okay. So we want to get the trains on the early reels and the magic on that last reel. So now we're at 375, sorry. Okay, here we go. Let's start getting some big wins here. We didn't see one luxury line come out, right? Okay, our bet back. You see, that's what we want. We want to get the trains and then we get that. That's really the actual goal here. Ooh. We're not seeing much action. I don't know. Okay. Well, that's for nothing. So we have to get stuff in the, kind of like that last Buffalo game, we want to get stuff in the previous ones to get that. So we didn't get anything yet, so. Okay. Nothing there. We're not getting any situations here so far. Well, that's $8. Something? Aw. There's nothing popping up on this one. See that with that luxury line, we're getting no trains on the first things, right? Let's go to 2 cents, see what happens. Oh, come on. Last reel, come on, drop it in. Oh, so that would have been what we were, it's just the mini train, but it would have gave us the feature we were looking for. That's the first time we even saw any train, so maybe 2 cents is where it's at. Let's see. Okay. My arm getting tired. Something. We haven't gotten one little situation here at all. Nothing again. Let's go back to 1 cent. Okay, we got something. I think it just gives us that little bit of money. That's the first kind of situation we've gotten. So you want a train, and then you want that, and then it gives you the situation that you're looking for. So we've only seen like one train, right? I don't even know. This machine seems like it's in absolute just take mode, so we might have to bail. $100 something lost. Oh, come on. It's so mean. Just in the middle of their second reel. So lame. Okay, so I think we should just go all in on it, you think? Might as well. That luxury line is what you want with like some trains before, so Those gems don't do anything. Over there. Wow, this is really pretty. Like, I almost don't even want to do the last one. This is maybe the worst buffalo session I've ever had. It never even. It doesn't even have one. 50 lions, but it hasn't had one kind of situation go our way. Pretty disheartening. Sometimes it's like that though. That's not a line. No, thank you. Okay. I almost don't even want that. Save it for the train feature. Oh wow, that's pretty good. I will give us any of our money back. Okay. Of course, when we move down a bit, it does that, but it's still pretty good. There's a lot of lines in there. Just let this marinate a little bit. Give us at least half our money back so we can feel good. That's literally 50 lines right there. Keep going, don't stop. Okay, feel a lot better about staying here now, huh? A little bit. Like he's laughing. This is a luxury line. This is okay. We got all of our money back, thank goodness. Now keep going. I guess that's why you stay persistent. That's crazy. Imagine getting this in the bonus round. You would have had any other multiplier in there. That's like 60 billion zillion dollars maybe. It's gonna stop right now. Very good. Okay, we'll take that. 330. 330. Does that mean leave?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So wifey said that means. Yeah, we can do a couple. Yeah. So let's see. So she says, unless you want to do backup spins, but I think this machine is stupid. So it might be, but we just put so much through it. Let's see if it has anything else to do for us. Just a little bit left. So like 10 or 11 spins, not that much, like 17, 18 bucks. We haven't had one of the train features. Yeah, like not, they didn't even show up. Like this is what it's supposed to look like, kind of. So. See, there we go. We just needed one train somewhere in there. So you can get like the grand train. If you get the red train, that's the dream. And there's no trains. There's no trains that came to this train station once. Okay. We get $8. Is it $8? Yeah. For the $8. Do it again. Ooh. This machine is not, that line hit was absolutely miraculous. And we're just doing one more. I don't think it's gonna give any kind of bonus rounds. So it's not. So when wifey says it's time to leave, it is time to leave. We feel like we just won $1 million with that. So yeah, that is it. See you on the next one.